Look at these baby hairs, they're driving me crazy. Hi ladies, it's Emily, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a new hairstyle. This hairstyle is the most requested hairstyle that I get, and I've already done this hairstyle before on my pastor's wife. If you watch Fixing the First Lady's Hair, this is the exact same hairstyle, but since putting that video out, I still get this hairstyle requested all the time. So I don't know if it's because I have blonde hair and she has brown hair, or maybe it looked different on her. I don't know what the deal is, but I still keep having people ask me, can you do this hairstyle, can you do this hairstyle? And so I'm gonna redo this hairstyle on me so that you all can see it. And for all of those of you that have been asking and requesting for this hairstyle, you can watch this and hopefully it will help you. This hairstyle is super easy and I think it's fairly quick. If I wear my hair up curly, this is how I do it. So I'm just gonna take my Conair Instant Heat. I don't know what size this is. I can't remember this morning. But I took the hinge part off of it and I'm going to use this like a wand. I'm going to start out with heat spray. And I'm just going to curl the ends, so I'm just going to put the heat spray on my ends. Where's my comb? And apparently I'm missing my comb. So I'm just going to run my hands through my hair to dry this. I am so sorry that I have not uploaded on my channel last week, but sometimes I get so busy. I either have to stay up late at night to do videos or get up early in the morning to do videos. And if I'm really busy, I just may not have time, or I may just be too tired to record. So I'm sorry. Life, I live a very busy life, and especially with 2 kids, it's not easy sometimes to record. Especially like if I have a lot of stuff going on, extra stuff going on. I had company in last week, and just some other things that was just more important. Okay. Why am I putting my hair in a ponytail? I'm confused, you guys. It's too early, I told you. Okay, so I'm not putting my hair in a ponytail just quite yet. I'm gonna curl the ends. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Tresemme curl locking spray on my ends, and I'm just gonna use this like a wand. And if you want this to be really curly and you want to like make it extra dressy, you can do smaller pieces and do tighter curls. But if you're in a really big hurry, you can just do a couple of sections and do bigger pieces. Sometimes when I'm in a really big hurry, I just do like maybe like 3 or 4 sections of my hair and just curl it and put it up really fast. So this hairstyle can look different depending on if I'm in a hurry or if I want it to look really fancy. A lot of girls like the big curly updos, as most Pentecostals do, and I find that by doing my hair this way, I can make it really big if I want to. But as some of y'all know, I've been having a lot of neck problems, and I've not been fixing my hair very big recently. So, but I'm gonna do it kind of big for you all today so you can see it. But I'm not gonna do like super big. to separate these curls, and I twirl them around my finger so it they're more defined and they're not frizzy. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray these ends with my Aussie Instant Freeze. Okay, so I'm gonna put my hair up in a ponytail. I'm just spraying. This part right here has not been curled, so I'm just spraying it to give it some volume. But I don't know where my comb is, but I'm gonna just go ahead and put my hair up like this. I'm trying to get these little hairs, and I'm just gonna keep this kind of loose. See how I'm not slicking it back? I'm just holding it loosely, but it's pretty tight on the bottom. And I'm gonna put my hair through the ponytail twice, and then on the third time I'm gonna do a loop like this. So if you have longer hair like me, you're gonna do this loop and you're gonna do a second loop. If you have shorter hair, just do this one loop. And then I'm gonna take clips and I'm going to do a second loop like this, and I'm gonna clip it like this. Okay, so then I'm gonna do with my messy bun technique. I'm gonna spray this bottom loop, and I'm gonna take my bobby pins and I'm gonna take a section and pin it up, and then take a section and pin it down, take a section, pin it up, take a section, pin it down, okay, then I'm going to take this top section and kind of do the same thing. See how I'm kind of spraying it and pulling it apart to make more volume? Okay, then you got your curls, and if you like more of a curly bun, you can put them over top of the curls, but I like some curls around the front. So what I do is I take my hair and I pull this up so that the end parts are hanging down in the front. And I'm going to pin like that. Pull up and pin that there. And then you just pull them and spray it. Oh, I didn't make it, y'all. She woke up. Yes, dear. Come inside. Mommy's almost done. Okay, so Everly's in the bathroom now. If you hear somebody crying, this is why it's hard for me to record videos. But I'm pretty much done. Okay, so obviously it looks a little more fancier than sometimes. Sometimes you can notice sometimes I use leftover curls, like curls like on Monday mornings. I'll use curls from Sunday night, and so it's not as fancy, or I'm like just going out and I don't need it as fancy, so I don't fix it as fancy. And sometimes it looks a little fancier than this. Sometimes I leave some of the ends and let them kind of like dangle down the front so that it's like a little fancier. I'm trying to figure out if I'm done. Okay, so I'm just gonna curl these really quickly. If I'm just doing like casual and I'm doing quickly and I'm just going out, I won't even curl these. But it does look a little better. And for church, I curl them and I just do like this. And then I kind of just like brush them out because I don't want them like super curly, and let them fall out a little bit. But there you go. I think this is fairly quick. We're at 17 minutes and I could have done it quicker if I was really hustling. Here is the final product. I hope you ladies like this hairstyle. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a good day. Bye, ladies.